Hello everyone, this is Catherine and welcome to my channel. Ayan po, maraming salamat sa lahat po ng nag-likes, nag-share, at nag-subscribe at sa mga naging bagong friends ko po sa YouTube. Hindi ko po kayo mapangalanan lahat pero alam niyo po kung gaano po ako nagpapasalamat at sobra po akong natuwa sa ipinakita niyo pong support po sa akin. Kaya po, sana ay maibalik ko po sa inyo ang kaligayahan na naramdaman ko po nung makita ko po ang number of views, likes, and subscribers. So, ayan po, maraming salamat. Okay, I will just stand corrected about my last video. Demasiado means too much, and demasiado means not too much. The last time, I'll just mention too much. I just focused to translate the Spanish word. In Tagalog kasi sinasabi natin demasiado means not too much. So thank you so much for correcting me, Ma'am Ella. And my batchmate way back in high school. Hi po sa lahat ng taga San Miguel. Proud Bisayang dako po. Okay, so ayan, simulan na po natin. Alam mo ba, sabis ke, did you know that these Filipino names are Spanish word? Kulang ng S. Ayan po, sinadya ko po yan para may audience participation. Typographical error po. Okay, sino ang hindi nakaalala sa teleserye sa Pilipinas na pinamagatang Pangako Sa'yo? Ang sikat na si Amor Powers. Ang ibig po sabihin ng pangalan niya ay pag-ibig. In English, that means love. Blanca, puti, means white color. Cara, mahal, expensive, muy cara, very expensive. Or la cara, meaning the face, the body part. Okay, kaya pala may sinasabi sa atin dati, naririnig ko, doble cara. Ibig sabihin nun, dalawang mukha. Maganda sa umaga, maganda pa rin sa gabi. Parang ako. Char. Okay, next. Cielo means kaulapan, uulap. And that means in English, sky. Concha, hi Miss Kat, this is for you. Your name means Kabibe. In English, seashells. I love collecting seashells in the seashore. Corazon, meaning that's puso. Pusuan mo naman ako. And in English, that's a heart. Hi Don, this is for you, my student. Don is one of my students in MTS. I hope you're doing good, Don. Meaning, Ginoo. Mister in English. Dulce. In Tagalog, we pronounce that word dulce. They pronounce it here in Spain, dulce, meaning matamis kapag pagkain, kapag personahe, malambing. You are such a sweet person. Eres muy dulce. Estrella. Hi, Miss Estrella. You are one of my co-teacher in TVA. I hope you are doing well also. Meaning, bituin, in English, a star. You are really such a star. And then, Esperanza. Nalala niyo po ang napakahabang teleserye noon sa Pilipinas. Esperanza, ang ibig sabihin po ay kapayapaan. Meaning, peace. So, if you wanna say, leave me alone in Castellano, we'll just say, déjame en paz, por favor. Leave me alone. Okay, ayan po. Next is felicidad. Kaligayahan, happiness. Normally, they use that word here, felicidades, meaning congratulations, if you have birthdays or you have achieved something. So they will just say felicidades. Okay? Hi, Fiali. The next is your name. This is all yours. Tapat, meaning faithful. Sana all, parang ako. Next, Flor. I have also a batchmate way back in high school. Hi, Flor. Your name means in Tagalog, bulaklak. In English, flower. You are such a beautiful flower. And Gracia. I have a co-teacher named Gracia also. And that means biyaya or gracia. Sinasabi natin sa Tagalog, ay, may gracia akong dumating, salamat. It's a blessings. Okay. La Luna Sangre, ang pinakasikat na teleserye. Okay. It means luna, buwan. And ibig sabihin nun, that means in English, moon. Okay. Mira, I have also a student from WC. Mira means tingnan or look. Mira esto, for example. Okay, next, path. Path, meaning kapayapaan. Peace. I want peace. Yo quiero paz. Okay, Reina. Ang pinagkaiba lang po sa atin is the spelling. Reina. In English, that's a queen. And then, Ray. Hi, Sir Ray. Meaning, Hari, you are a king. If you have a name, Ray. And Sol is araw, meaning sun. So, ayan po ang mga pangalan na akin pong ibinahagi sa inyo. Kung meron po kayong alam, ay mag-comment lamang po kayo para mabasa po natin lahat at sabay-sabay po natin alamin kung ano po ang mga pangalan na ng mga kababayan natin na Spanish word pala. So, do not forget to like and subscribe. Hanggang sa muli, paalam!